Okay, this is a birdhouse that I made. Shout out to DeWalt Tools for helping me build this excellent birdhouse. I used mostly all their tools to make this. So what you do, you go somewhere where they're working on houses or that, and you pick up a bunch of scraps. You cut them with a DeWalt table saw, and then you cut them until they fit just right. And then you cut a hole and you make a roof. And then you use the stapler gun or nails, whatever you want to use, hammer it in or staple it, and if it doesn't fit, then just keep cutting until it's right. Because we didn't get it just right, but we got it pretty good. Because we just picked up a bunch of scraps and put it all over this, and now we have this beautiful birdhouse that we're gonna hang up somewhere. Bye.